Hey guys, it's Marley here. Today we got an LOL surprise. My next video, I already opened it, but I deleted it because it was messed up. So we got this baby. Her name is Kicks. Kick, 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 kicks, kicks, kicks. And her shoes, and her headband, and her bottle. So let's put her stuff on. So I'm going to put her shoes on first. Come on, shoe. Get on her. Come on, get on her. Shoe, get on her. Shoe, get on her. Have you guys ever watched the Zarvark? I watched it just right now. It's the new movie. It just came out today. The Zarvark just came out today. So at least she looks cute with her shoes. So now let's put on her bottle in her hand. She's gonna look super cute. I know that. Put her bottle in her hand. Alright. She's all ready. But first, let's put her on. Then let's put her on her headband. Why the headband's not coming on her head? Why? Oh, there we go. There we go. So, I know why it's not fitting because of the back part. So, let's put it on her. Don't she look so cute? I'm glad that I got a brown one because I'm brown. So cute with these earrings. I got 2 braids in my hair. So, bye guys.